This is video series. Some things may seem out of context. Please watch the other videos as well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a schedule to display all the information about the layered structure. So let me use new material takeoffs schedule because you cannot show system categories such as walls and floors in normal schedule. And what I want are these, like for example, I want layers and I want thicknesses or widths. I also want category first, and I want type name and type mark. Okay, and the latest I need to add one of this information about materials in order to create this one. So I will get this schedule, which is not that good. So let me just sort it out a little bit. So first I'm going to filter by layers parameter exist, and I don't want to itemize every instance. I want to sort by category. I want to add blank line after each category. Then I want to sort it by, let's say, type mark, then by layers. Okay, this is a mistake, not layers, but type name, because if I don't have type mark, it will put them together. Okay, so this is the schedule. We can do few more tweaks, like for example, we can add category in a header. Okay, so this way we can hide this column because it's written here. And lately we can hide material volume as well. So if you go to a sheet, I already have an example here, but let me add this another one next to it. So this is what I have. So let me just quickly apply a view template to it. And then I need to do some of the adjustments, like I need to extend this a little bit so I have nicely aligned layers of materials with layers of uh, thicknesses or widths. Please have in mind that the schedule will not show information about the layers inside of a schedule. You need to add it to the sheet in order to see this information. Also, you know that you can customize this. So it looks a little bit better.